Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the to_ISOString method. So what it does, it international standardization of format. It will give you that string of that date, specific date, I guess. So now what we need to do is create a var and event and use the new operator and use the date object, and inside that what we need to do is geo5, the date, not 05, geo5. Now what we're gonna do is after use the after bar, and now pass 2011 14. You will understand why I'm giving us such a specific date. Now it's not 2011, it's 2019. So UTC. So when I do that, and now it will oh, I forgot the equal sign. So when I do that, it will give you the if you log it on a console, it will give you the local time of that. But if you want some good time and UTC offset, it will give you if you need to use the ISO string format. So what we're gonna do is log it on a console, the event dot to ISO string. So string, use the function, and now you're gonna do that. It's gonna give you the standardized format of your local time variable. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.